Western Bay County in Florida, South Central Walton County in Florida, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles west of Panama City Beach, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Western Bay and South Central Walton counties, including the following locations: Laird and Inlet Beach. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Florida, Bay and Walton,